Okay, so hello guys, welcome to the video. I am showing off this muffler for someone that has asked me to do so. So I have not taken apart the muffler because it might destroy it, and I do not want to destroy my mufflers here since they're kind of difficult to find. So I am just going to show them off and try to give you the best shot that I possibly can. So you can see kind of like there's a plate in there that goes between where you have the two bolts that go into the block, and then your screen goes right there in that little hole that's in the center. And then basically your exhaust is going to go through the back of it, down, back up, and around, and out. And I am doing a voiceover right now. This one does not have the pipes in it for the bolts like the other one does. You can go back and see it. So it's a little bit easier to look into this one. I did try to pry them apart, and I also took a hammer and punch and tried to get it apart that way, and I could not. So I don't want to damage my muffler. If it comes down to it though, and you need to see more than that, let me know, and I will cut open the other muffler that doesn't have the pipes in it, because that one is more damaged than my other one, and I'll be happy to do that. You just gotta let me know.